Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Now today we are going to start with geography lesson number 1. That is environment. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by the word environment? Environment. What do you understand by the word environment?
Our surrounding.
Very
Surrounding area.
Nature.
whatever the nature or whatever the surroundings
And
around
the place
you,
around us.
things around us is called as an our environment. Clear? So here we are going to speak about the our environment, about environment in this lesson. Uh, so everybody has opened the book, geography book in front of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we should start the lesson. The lesson begins with after a long vacation. When Ravi started going to school again, means after the vacation, who is going to school? Vacation means summer vacation. Who is going to school now after a long vacation? Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Ravi.
He noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. Now, as he is after a long vacation, he is again going to school. Then, what he on the way he saw that the playground which was next to his school, स्कूल के जस्ट पास जो प्लेग्राउंड था वो क्या हो गया है डग अप मीन्स उसको खोद दिया गया है देन people said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed here. Now people, what are people saying? लोग क्या कह रहे हैं देख करके कि वहां पर what will be happening there?
Ma'am, building with
Yes,
many
a huge
flats.
building. Huge building means a big building will be constructed over there in place of that playground. So Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigolds, and butterflies is gone forever. Ravi was almost in tears, means Ravi is almost not at all liking this scene in front of his eyes. He is feeling very bad from inside. Why? Because now he will not be able to see the soft grass. Soft grass means that means in the playground the grass was there. The marigolds. What is a marigold? Marigold is a
Flower.
flower. Yes.
Flower.
Flower. So flowering plants, grass, and butterflies. That means he's not be able to see. He will not be able to see these things again. And he shared his feelings with his classmates. Now as soon as he reached the school, he shared his feelings that about the playground with his classmates. In the assembly, the principal too sadly observed, see how our environment is changing. Now in the assembly too, principal uh, had spoken about this and our environment only, that the environment is continuously changing, the environment around us is continuously changing, and Ravi has almost observed with his own eyes that yes, the environment was changing. What was the change in the environment? That the playground,
That instead of playground, the buildings were made with
yes,
very flat.
yes, the play instead of the playground, uh, uh, Ravi has also observed this means changing in the environment, that instead of the playground which is next to his school is will now no more, and instead of it the buildings will be constructed, and in that building many flats will be there. Flats means the houses to live in for the people. Now in the class, Ravi asked his teacher, what is environment? Now the question arises in the mind of Ravi. What is the question? That is, what is environment? Now, as soon as Ravi reached the classroom, he asked his teacher that what is environment, or what ever you see in your surroundings, said the teacher. Now, what the answer is there by teacher? teacher is saying that whatever you see in your surrounding, जो कुछ आप अपने आसपास देखते हो, surrounding means आसपास देखते हो, that is all your environment. Ravi thought aloud. अब रवि ने सोचा. That means the school building, table, chair in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are parts of the environment. Now Ravi thought aloud. Thought aloud means जोर से, means सोचते सोचते आप जोर से बोलने लग जाते हो कभी. That was the same condition of Ravi. That means Ravi said loudly that school buildings, tables, chair in the classroom, open field, garbage, friends, roads, each and everything which is surrounding them, they are all the part of the environment. Then what happened? Yes, said the teacher, but wait, some objects are created by nature. Now, teacher said, yes, whatever you are observing around you, that is table, chair in the classroom, open field, roads, garbage, and everything is, yes, it is the environment, but some objects are created by nature. Now, in the environment also, some objects are created by nature, means naturally they occur in the environment. That is, for example, mountains, rivers, trees, and animals. They appear naturally in the environment, so they are natural environment. By nature only they are present. Mountains, rivers, trees, animals, these are not made by human beings. ये human beings का innovation या discovery नहीं है, but they are already present in the nature. That is why it is the natural environment. Others are made by people. Now, some objects, some substances in the nature which are present in the nature or which are present around you are the human made. Human made means the human beings have made that, and the example is road, car, clothes, books. They are also consisted of your environment only. ये भी आपका एक environment ही form कर रहा है. आपके आसपास ये है. That is, this is your environment. But this is the environment made or created by human beings. ये human beings के द्वारा बनाया गया है. So now from this paragraph, I hope it is well clear that the environment, first of all, what is an environment, or everything surrounding you is an environment. Now from this paragraph, it is clearly observed, or we can understand clearly that environment is also divided into here two parts. First is natural, and here the another is made by people, that is human beings.
Human.
Yes, human beings. So which are natural environment, which things will come in natural environment? The things which are,
Mountains, rivers,
Mountains,
trees,
rivers,
trees,
trees, and
animals.
animals.
yes, the things which are already present in the nature, that is given by God as a gift to us. हमारे गिफ्ट की जैसे
Roads,
भगवान के द्वारा दिया गया है. And what are human made environment?
roads,
Roads,
cars, clothes, and books.
Anything
buildings,
else? Anything else? Anything else? कुछ और इसमें से, इसके अलावा और?
Garbage.
ma'am, house,
Houses, buildings, है ना? So this can also be the
garden,
yes. Now work in pairs. Make a list of with your classmates sitting next to you. Now this is the activity. Now it cannot be possible because you are all attending the online. Now from here, first we will take this paragraph. Environment is a basic life support system. You can underline this. What is environment? Environment is basic life support system, means in our environment only we can live our life nicely. Now it provides the air we breathe. Now what all is included in this environment? The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land we live. That means air, water, food, and land. They are all present in our environment, and they are life supporting systems. Life supporting system means we cannot think life means apart from these things. हम इनके अलावा अपनी जिंदगी नहीं समझ सकते. Air is very necessary, water is very necessary, food is very necessary, and land on which we are living is very necessary. That is, the earth is very necessary. So these are present in the environment. It provides, that means the environment provides all this, and that is why environment is the basic life support system. इसीलिए हम environment को life support system कहते हैं, because air, water, food and land, uh, these all things which are the means very important or necessity for our living, for the human beings, they are present in the environment. Now how do human beings modify this natural environment? Now how do human beings modify this natural environment? Modify means
Upgrade.
upgrade or make change, है ना? How do human beings modify this natural environment? Means how do human beings make changes, or we can say upgrade the natural environment? The car fumes pollute the air, water collected in a pot, food is served in vessels, and land is used to build factories. Now, in this way, human beings had made modification in the natural environment. Now, the air is present in the nature. Now, the car fumes that that can pollute the air. Now we are polluting that natural environment, that is the air which is present in the nature, by polluting it by the car fumes. Then now we water is present in the environment, but we have collected that water in a pot. The food is also served. So this is a type of modification. The things which are present around in the environment, they are being collected and they are used for our own purpose and according to our needs. Human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. Now, how human beings had had made changes in the natural environment? How human beings made cars, car बनाया उन्होंने, mills बनाई, factories and all which pollute the air, and then manufacture containers also human beings had prepared to collect the water and food and all. So in this way we can say that man or human being had modified the natural environment में change लेकर आए हैं वो human beings. Then Ravi, Paramjeet, Jesse, Mustafa, Asha were all excited about making a list. Now, the teacher had given, now in this classroom, this is the classroom scene. Now, here the teacher had given them the work. What was the work given by the teacher? To make the list with the classmates which are sitting next to them, that to make the list of the things which the creation of the nature and by the human beings, means they have to make a list of the things which are present in the nature, which we get from the nature, and the things which are made by the human beings. And this task is given by the teacher, and thus Ravi, Paramjeet, Jesse, Mustafa, Asha, they all are excited to make the list. What type of list? The list which will show that what are natural things, what are human made things, man made things. Then why is the environment changing? The question arises then, that if we have understood that, and if we know that modification are being done in the natural environment change हो रहा है, then why is an environment changing? The question is there. Asked Iqbal. It is all because our needs. Now the question is, why our environment changing? Why is our environment changing? The answer is, why environment is changing? Why we are changing the environment?
It is all because our need.
For
Correct.
agriculture, for
It is because
some
of our
business
needs, to
purpose.
fulfill our needs.
All because of need.
These are daily needs. Because according to our needs only, we make changes in the environment. We bring changes in the environment so that we can satisfy our daily requirements, daily needs. Now they are increasing day by day, and these daily needs our needs are increasing day by day. We are therefore modifying and at times even destroying our natural surroundings. So the question was what? The question was, why is our environment changing? So the answer was given that it is all because of our needs. हम अपनी needs को fulfill करने के लिए environment में change लाते हैं, and they are changing means these needs are changing. Wait a second. These needs are increasing day by day, and we are therefore modify at times, even destroying our natural surroundings. So we modify because our needs are increasing day by day. So we try to modify. We try to bring change in the natural environment at times. At a time, क्या होता है कि कभी कभी we do not take proper care of the natural environment and we try to destroy or damage the natural surrounding. हम कभी कभी नुकसान भी पहुंचा देते हैं हमारी natural surrounding को. That the reply was given by whom? This answer was given by whom?
Teacher.
Yes, the answer was given by teacher. And what was the question asked by Iqbal? Question asked,
Why is the environment changing?
yes, now why is our environment changing? Can anybody give me in your own words? You can explain me why our environment is changing.
Ma'am, to fulfill our daily needs,
To fulfill our needs.
are increasing day by day.
Yes, to fulfill our daily needs, we are making change in our environment. Even we are not taking proper care of our natural surroundings, and thus it leads to the destruction of the natural surrounding, है ना? Natural surrounding
Ma'am,
destroy कर देते हैं. Yes.
Ma'am, for making buildings, agriculture land.
Yes, for making buildings for agricultural purposes and all, we just cut down forests without any means giving a second thought. Okay? It would destroy our natural surroundings and all. So in this way, we destroy our natural surroundings thus to fulfill our daily requirement. Now coming to biotic and abiotic. Now what are biotic? You might have heard these words, biotic and abiotic. Biotic and abiotic, you have heard? Yes, in the six.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is biotic?
Ma'am, living things.
Living organisms. Ma'am, living organisms.
Yes,
Living
all the
organisms.
living organisms. All the living things. All the living organisms or all living things will come under biotic. And what are non-living things? They are
The word
Non-living. Abiotic.
clear. Biotic and abiotic, living and
Yes, ma'am.
non-living. Living we can include
Yes,
plants and
ma'am.
animals. Abiotic, non-living we can say land and other things can also be included which are not having life in them. They are called as non-living. Which are having life, they will be under the biotic. Clear? Now first we are going to
Yes.
explain. I'm going to explain this diagram, that is figure 1.1, components of environment. Components of environment means what all things are included or characteristics of the environment we can say. Now environment can be divided into three main categories. Environment can be divided into three main categories. Natural environment, second is
Human-made environment,
human-made environment, and third is human themselves are forming an environment. आपके आसपास आपके मम्मी पापा दादा दादी ये सब कौन है? आपका environment form कर रहे हैं एक तरीके से आपके आसपास हैं. Then they are also forming an environment, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Environment can be divided into three broad categories. Three broad categories is natural, human-made, and human. Now in natural, first we will take about natural. Now natural environment includes air, water, land and living things. ठीक है?
Living things.
Yes, sir.
So air, natural environment air. Air is called as Atmosphere, air is atmosphere.
Atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere.
Yes, water is hydrosphere, land is lithosphere, and living things, where the living things are present, that narrow zone is called as biosphere. That narrow zone is called as biosphere. So land, air, water, and living things, that is biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. They are consisting of natural environment. Clear? Then human made, with the things which are made by human beings. Human beings has made what? Buildings, parks,
Buildings,
Yes, ma'am.
bridges,
bridges, roads,
Industries.
industries, and monuments.
Industries and monuments.
yes. So these things are made by human beings. That is, buildings, parks, bridges, roads,
Buildings, parks, bridges,
industries
roads, industries, and
are made
monuments.
by human beings. That is, they form the which environment, which type of environment? Human made environment. ये ह्यूमन बींग्स ने बनाया है, इसलिए इसको ह्यूमन मेड एनवायरनमेंट बोलते हैं. ये ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है नेचर में, दैट इज व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ कमिंग टू ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट, इंडिविजुअल. आप खुद एक इंडिविजुअल एनवायरनमेंट
Family,
फैमिली, कम्युनिटी.
community,
कम्युनिटी मीन्स
religion,
पीपल.
Education,
economic, political, temple and all.
economy,
When
political
you
situation.
temple and all, that there also you form an environment. Then educational environment. Educational environment, when you are going to school and all, you are forming an educational environment. Then economic. Economic means factories and all. You workers होते हैं factories में, और economically they are dependent for the work and all. So, and the political situation, that is, you are living in a country, so that is the political situation. So all these forms the human environment. ये सब human being से बना हुआ environment. Individual, family, human being से बनी community, the group of people जो आप रह रहे हो society में, that is also formed by the human beings. Religion means कोई एक particular धर्म ले लो. Hindu religion, अब Hindu religion में कौन है? पेड़ पौधे तो नहीं है, क्या है? ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं. मुस्लिम रिलीजन, क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन, इसमें एनवायरनमेंट तो नहीं है, लिविंग थिंग्स कौन है? ह्यूमन बींग्स प्रेजेंट है. तो ये ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. एजुकेशनल मीन्स इन स्कूल एंड educational institutions and all, they are forming educational environment, because there also human beings are present. So all these environment, in these environments, human beings, the presence of human beings are there. Religion में human beings है, community में, education में, economic में, political situation में, India में भी आप सब human beings रह रहे हैं, then they are called as human environment. I hope this is clear. This figure is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So environment can be divided into how many categories? Broad categories.
Three parts.
Three
Three
broad
categories.
broad categories. First,
Nature environment, human environment, and human
Environment,
environment.
natural environment, second human made, and third human beings. Give me the example of natural environment.
Air, biosphere,
Yes,
things.
atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. Then example of human made environment. Example of human made.
Building,
Buildings, parks, bridges,
Yes,
industries, and monuments.
and human environment.
bridge,
Human.
individual,
Religion, individual, family, community, educational, economic, and political situation.
Okay, fine. That means you have understood this till here.
yes, ma'am.
From here, we are going to start in our next class. Clear? Till here, you read out, you understand the lesson. If any problem you think, you can ask me in our next class. But till then, you read the lesson carefully. और ये आगे का भी पढ़कर आइए, so that when I am explaining you, you are means more easily understandable for you. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. Clear? So that's all for today.
okay, ma'am.
Thank you.